So I actually was not originally going to do a career in chemical engineering. I came to the University of Florida like bright-eyed and bushy-tailed wanting to be a vet. I came in as an animal science major, and I was working like in a lot of classes in gen ed with friends from high school that were doing chemical engineering. And one, they would always make fun of me because I was just the animal science major, but two, the stuff they were doing was really interesting. So I decided to look into the degree, and yeah, so I started the degree, I started doing internships, and I realized I actually really like the work, and I don't need to go to vet school and do this. I'm like, I want to be a chemical engineer, I like this. So right now I work for Procter & Gamble. I am an operations manager for external manufacturing sites, but I get to work in P&G Ventures, which is a startup arm of P&G. So I do a lot of work with external manufacturers. I'm a relationship owner for vendors. I work on operational excellence. I also manage people. And I still get to do a little bit of the kind of traditional chemical engineering problem solving on a manufacturing scale. But really what I've found is that everything I learned in my degree is totally relevant to what I do now, even if it's not making chemicals or working in a plant. I feel like chemical engineering is maybe the most versatile engineering in the toolbox. You take classes from all the other engineering degrees. So you'll take thermo, you'll take circuits classes, you'll take physics, like anything you can think of, but then you can also just apply it to so many different industries. If you look across the board at what chemical engineers, even from the University of Florida, do, only 7% of them go into the chemical industry, and the rest of them are going into literally every other industry, pretty evenly distributed. So having that ability to learn what you want to learn in school and then go out and be able to pivot and change as life comes at you, I think that's the most valuable part. I just feel like it has provided me so much value, and it has allowed me to make pivots and life changes as things have come my way. I've been able to move cities when I need to move cities. I've been able to work remotely. I've been able to try different functions. And I don't know if I would have been able to do that if I was an animal science major, but only. But as an engineer, and specifically as a chemical engineer, I do feel like a bit of a jack of all trades. So I would definitely make the decision again. Go Gators.